if you haven't read this title, this is gonna be just a quick basic H&M haul. I'm just gonna show you guys some of the pieces that I picked up for myself, as well as just a couple of little things I picked up for my sons. Nothing too crazy. I just did a little quick, like, little pieces that I felt I wanted to add on, or like little staples I thought would be good for us. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching the video. But before you do that, don't forget to stop, subscribe to my channel so you can see more content from me, more videos. I give y'all clothing, makeup, mommy. I give you a little bit of everything. I have a little bit of everything going on. So if you are feeling my vibe, what I have going on, what I have to offer, please subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't do so, make sure you like the video. And if you really are feeling, you know, like you really want to help me out, child, leave me a comment, okay? All right, so let me stop rambling on and let's get right into this video. I went to H&M, I want to say about a week ago, or like a week ago. So I have this big bag, and I have some stuff for me and I have some stuff for the kids. So I want to start off with just showing y'all the stuff for the kids, because of course I'm not going to try that on. So just so y'all can see what I got for like the kids. The first thing I got was this hoodie. This is for Kaden, my oldest. So it's just like a basic navy blue hoodie. I picked up from there like a lot of basic pieces. Nothing too fancy. It's like more of the basic style. And then for the hoodie, I got the pants to go with it. So he got the top, he got the bottom, and he's like growing so much, yo. They're growing so much, so a lot of his stuff, honestly, it's not fitting him, or he outgrew it, so he gave it to, like, I'm giving some of it to his brother. The stuff, of course, that looked good, I'm gonna give to his brother. So that's what I got so far. Then I got them these like little beanies. I guess I could say beanies. I got them these cute little beanies. I thought this is so cute, just to pair like with a nice little fit, or like an outfit, especially like if I don't do Caden's hair, because you know Caden has braids. He could just put this on his head. So I have a beanie, and this is like a dark navy, I guess. Ah, my bag is like falling. And then I got, yeah, my bag is like really falling. And then I got him this hoodie right here that's super cute. It says "Gamers Start the Game." I thought this would go like nice with some fire like jeans and some cute dark sneakers, or maybe even like some Vans. Would look so cute with this, with some Vans. So I got that. What else did I get? As well as I also got him, I want to say I might have got these black pants to go with that hoodie too. So I can even do, focus. I can even do the black pants with the hoodie as well. That would be like a really cute outfit that you can pair up and put on. And was that it for the kids? I feel like I got one more outfit. One more thing. Oh, and then the last thing was just another beanie for Cameron. And I think that's everything I got for the kids. So like I didn't get too much stuff from H&M. When it comes to their clothes, I like to kind of go all different places. Like certain stuff I'll get from H&M. I love Zara. Like when it comes to little boy clothes, oh my god, I love Zara. I just ordered them the cutest like trench coat, but like the rain, like that khaki raincoat style trench color. Oh my god, it's gonna be so cute. I'll probably, when I get it, I'll probably like post it on my Instagram and my little boy's feed. But it's super cute, it's super nice. I love that coat, y'all. I kind of want it for myself. But yeah, so now I'm gonna check and see, like make sure it's no more kids stuff. I feel like it's not, and we're gonna jump right into my stuff now. So I kind of lied. I was gonna do a try on haul, but I just noticed I didn't have that many pieces, so it kind of didn't make sense for me to try on the items. But so one of the pieces I don't have, because I kind of wore it already and I washed it, but the first piece is like, it was just a regular basic turtleneck shirt. I think I'm gonna call this haul H&M basic basic clothing haul or whatever, because a lot of pieces I got are basic pieces, but it was like a black turtleneck, just your classic black turtleneck. I love a black turtleneck. I'm gonna buy probably like 50 more, because that is like a staple for me for fall and winter, is like turtlenecks. That is so my style. As you can see, my hoodie is like turtleneck style, super my style. Love to wear with everything. Like, I think it goes with everything and it looks good with everything. So yeah, turtleneck, get it. Now stop playing, you need your turtlenecks. So yeah, I got this shirt right here. I'm not really sure exactly what they would call this style, but I got this shirt right here, and this is actually it's an extra large. I don't even know why I got an extra large. I feel like I picked up the wrong size, because I know for a fact I would not have wanted this in an extra large, but that's okay. I'll just wear it like super oversized. It won't be so tight. I'm kind of okay with that, like the whole oversized look. I like that. And then I just picked up a regular like gray hoodie, just something you could throw on. I feel like you always need a nice staple hoodie in your, you know, your collection. You just want to put on a hoodie. So for me, this hoodie, I did get pants to go with it, and also I'll probably wear it with like some jeans or something, or like before the weather completely cools down, like if I have like that in between day when it's still in like the 70s, I like to do like a hoodie and some biker shorts with like some sneakers or my Ugg slippers, and it's a whole fit, it's a whole style, it's super cute. But yeah, the last piece I did get was the sweats. The sweats I got in a size, I got the sweats in a size large, so it's not super tight. It's a nice fit, which actually will fit me because I did gain some weight, so I'm like in between like a medium large for some pieces. I gained weight over this quarantine, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I definitely gained weight this quarantine, so I'm like a medium large, and that'll fit me pretty good. But yeah, that is it for my H&M haul. I could have sworn I had like way more pieces, but I didn't. This is it. This is all I got going on. So yeah, I'm definitely like doing a lot of fall looks, adding a lot more pieces, so I will definitely give you guys, I don't know, like if I do a big shopping haul again, I'll give y'all like a shopping haul. If not, what do y'all think of like more just like get ready with me, maybe outfit edition, like maybe like super quick in the makeup. Maybe we'll focus more on like the hair and the outfits, because I feel like makeup right now can be like a little repetitive. I feel like everybody's posting the same thing. Like, we're kind of tired of makeup tutorials, so let me know what you guys want to see from me. Like, what is it that you guys would like to see from me? What are y'all interested in? Let me know, so I will post it and provide you guys with that content. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause